Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to generate leads using ChatGPT. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know that you can use ChatGPT to help you generate leads? ChatGPT can be used to create content to capture potential leads as you collect their contact information. You can even use the chatbot to qualify leads by targeting questions about their needs and preferences. First, use the chatbot to research your target market. You need to know the insights about your target audience. If you have a local business, you need to learn about the preferences of your target audience. Now let's create a new chat window. For example, you have an existing list of products that you are selling, such as coffee products. Now let's ask the chatbot to generate a list of additional coffee products that will be a great addition to our local business. Now you can see that it's generating additional coffee products with a description of what each product consists of. We need to copy and paste this on our Word document. Now let's ask the chatbot to generate a list of pastries that are great to pair with a list of coffee products that it suggested. Now it's generating a list of pastries that we can mostly see on coffee shops. We can tailor these suggested pastries to our local business. Add a few from the list and see if your customers like these products. So copy and paste this on our Word document as well. Next, ask the chatbot to help you qualify leads. As you can see, it shows you a list of actions that you will need to take, such as defining your target customer profile, identify key lead information, establish lead scoring criteria, qualification questions, engagement, and interaction. You don't have to include all these data, but you can tailor them according to your needs. Now let's see if the chatbot can generate qualification questions. The qualification questions that it will generate can help you gauge the interest of your leads, and it can help you save time by focusing more on closing deals with potential customers. Copy and paste this content on a Word document. Next, use ChatGPT to craft email campaigns for your leads. Once you have collected contact information from your leads, you should initiate contact and engage with them. As we ask the chatbot about the steps we should take after collecting leads, you can take note of the suggested steps and apply it to your email campaigns. We can also ask the chatbot to generate email drafts for an email campaign. Include the topics of each email draft that we want to be included in our campaigns. As you can see, it is now generating drafts for a welcome email, sharing a free lead magnet, offering relevant content, and a follow-up by offering the product to our leads. And each draft consists of the content. Now copy the content to our Word document, and we can use this as a reference. Next, offer free lead magnets. You can offer a free gift in exchange for their contact information. Use ChatGPT to generate suggestions of lead magnets that we can offer to our potential leads. You can choose from ebooks, cheat sheets, worksheets, online workshops, video tutorials, email courses, and more. Now copy and paste the list of suggested lead magnets on our Word document. And as we create email campaigns, we can choose the best lead magnet for our leads. You can even ask a chatbot to help you create and generate the content for your chosen lead magnet. For example, we want to generate a cheat sheet for increasing sales regarding a specific product. Now copy and paste this example cheat sheet content into our Word document. Next, follow up with leads. ChatGPT can help you follow up with your leads who haven't responded to your initial reach. The chatbot can help you compose email drafts, engaging and personalized email content with the intent of following up on your leads. As you can see, it generated email drafts that you can use in your email campaigns that are personalized for your leads. Let's copy and paste this content on our Word document. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to run multiple ad accounts, multi-account social media, blog, and group marketing campaigns, we have a marketing app that can help your business run multiple marketing campaigns successfully. It's called Loggy. It is the first multi-login, multi-account, anti-detect browser. First, run ads from multiple accounts. You can run multiple accounts and do multi-account marketing securely. You can gain 100% protection on all social media sites, forums, and blog sites. You can avoid wasting money on slow and expensive VPSs. You can secure multi-login browsing right on your computer. You can even scale your business and earn profits with multi-login marketing. Run multi-login, multi-account campaigns for yourself or your clients. So try Loggy now. Go to loggy.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.